Hey everyone! If you're a developer, entrepreneur, or just getting started in tech, get ready to discover a tool that's transforming how we build apps, Lovable. What is Lovable? Lovable is an AI-powered development platform that lets you create full applications and websites just by chatting with an intelligent assistant. Imagine describing your idea in plain, and in seconds, a working project is generated and ready to go. It's like ChatGPT meets no-code magic. What's new in Lovable? Smarter chat agent, it can now plan, debug, and answer questions without changing your code, making your dev process way smoother. Real-time collaboration, work with your entire team on the same project, perfect for agile teams and fast-moving startups. Security checks, Lovable scans your project for vulnerabilities before deployment, keeping your apps safe. Custom domains, easily connect and manage domains right from the platform, no more jumping between services. Why use Lovable? Use Lovable if you want to. Prototype fast. Save time on coding. Integrate tools like Stripe or OpenAI. Build apps using React, Tailwind, Supabase, and more. Lovable helps you focus on innovation, not on repetitive coding tasks. Lovable is redefining how we build software, faster, smarter, and more accessible. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned dev, it's absolutely worth trying out. Click the link in the description to sign up and start building with Lovable today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.